Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will be exploring the various features and functionalities on the screen, which will help you manage and track laboratory information efficiently and accurately. Whether you're a laboratory technician, manager, or general user, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use this LIS feature to streamline your laboratory workflows, reduce errors, and improve the quality of your information. So, let's get started. To add a new client, go to Master Files and click on Clients. Complete all required fields marked with the red asterisk. The others fields are optional. The Allow Web Access field can be used to disable access to records through the web portal for a specific client. The default bill type selected will be added automatically to every order created. This is very helpful when servicing a client that most patients have insurance or when most patients' lab orders must be billed to the client account. In the Additional tab, you can specify the Bill to Client field if invoices need to be forwarded to another client. For example, if you're servicing a chain of nursing homes, you may need to send invoices to the corporate office for all nursing home clients in the group. It's important to note that the per diem rate is only used when the laboratory and its client have agreed to bill services on a per diem basis, instead of using individual service items. This rate is typically negotiated between the laboratory and the client, and is based on the number of beds and days the bed is occupied. Show Microbiology flag is used to add an interpretation results when the client requests epidemiology reports required by the state for infection control compliance. After all fields have been filled, click on the Add button. You will be asked if the fax and email of the client should be added as a destinations for auto-reporting. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new client. Use the Destinations button to associate existing destinations in the system to the client. Destinations will be fax numbers or email addresses to be used in the transmission of reports. To create transmission rules that will automatically send reports to clients, click on Report Rules and complete all necessary and required fields. If you select Include Pending Tests, the report will display the name and status of tests that are pending results. If this option is unchecked, these tests will not be shown on the report. Additionally, if you choose Finals Only, the report will only be sent when all tests have their result and the order is final. If you have any questions or concerns about creating transmission rules, please do not hesitate to contact us for assistance. Select the destinations that will receive the reports. Note that you won't be able to select destinations not associated to the client. Use the Test filter to transmit results when a specific test is present in the order. Note that you have the option to include or exclude the rest of the tests in the order from the report. The units filter will be used to perform a smart distribution of the reports. Could be different departments, nurses stations, or client location. For additional help with this feature, contact our support team. The ordering physicians filter will tell the system that only orders with specific ordering physicians will be included on the report. Once you complete all the fields, click on the Add button and you will be prompted with the schedule form to select the frequency. Make your selection and click Save. Select physicians associated to this client. Call rules is a versatile feature that will help alerting the lab staff when they must call the healthcare providers to notify about results. Complete the needed fields and click Add. Select the frequent tests to provide your clients with a custom tests menu on the web portal. This feature is also available at order entry for the order entry staff to simplify the test selection. Web result entry is used to allow specific tests to be entered from the web portal by the client. Usually CLIA-waived tests performed by the phlebotomist or nursing staff. For more information about this feature, please contact our support team. When needed, you can create units. These units can be nurses' stations or multiple clients' location. Once the unit has been created, you can add preset rooms. This is optional. If the lab is using the LIS to perform billing, then sales commission can be calculated. Select the salesperson and the commission percentage. Use the epidemiology button to configure the epidemiology report package according to client's specifications. The Integrations button will allow the selection of available interfaces with EMR and EHR systems. With the cancellation rules, you can configure the LIS to reschedule labs when they are cancelled. This will occur automatically to minimize human errors. When a test is selected as confidential, this test will be excluded from the reports and web portal. Then only designated healthcare professionals will be allowed to view the results. Use the wide variety of comments available. Thanks for completing this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.